Okay, welcome to Introduction Java Programming by Wai-Dan Yang, 8th edition, Chapter 4 Loops, Problem number 3. Write a program that displays conversion table from kilograms to pounds. Very simple. Now we can see at the table that 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. So for this exercise, I'm gonna use a for loop. Initialize an int I equal 0 as my initial action, then followed by the continuation condition. So my condition is, let me call it kilograms, kg. Let me call this variable as kg and make it start from 1. Then my condition is kg less than or equal to 200. So I'm making this for loop run from 1 kilograms to 200. And for every iteration, I want to increment the value of kg by 1. So I use the shorthand operator known as kg++. So that way, after every iteration, kg is incremented by 1. So after the first iteration where kg is 1, the second iteration is where kg is 2. So in this iteration, first let me print first kilograms, escape character T, then a line, another escape character T, and pounds. Okay, let's see how it's displayed first. Okay, so it's displayed like this. So inside the loop, I'm gonna use system.out.printf for print format. And here, I'm gonna use percentage, let's say 5D, escape character T, and a line, the escape character, then percentage 5.2F kg, and kg times 2.2. Put this in parentheses. Okay, so what happened here? In this format, I defined a position for an integer as percentage %d. 5 is like I'm telling the program to reserve 5 spaces for this integer. So let's say I wanna display from 1 till 15 kilograms. Oh, I should do a line break. Sorry. That's how it works. Percentage 5d reserves 5 spaces for the integer. So if the integer is 9 or the integer is 10, they're still displayed properly. Because if it wasn't, if I remove 5 and leave it as percentage %t, then run it, we can see how it's displayed. And put that back, 5t. Now for percentage %f, I also did the same thing, but 5.2, meaning I want to print the value of the double number but with a maximum of 2 decimal numbers. As you can see here, 20. Because if it was only 5, then I run it, look how it's displayed. A single double value. So that's why I placed 5.2. And now after I define my formatted string, next I enter in sequence what values I want to be displayed in this formatted string. So the first value I want to be displayed in this position is the value of kg, kilograms, and followed by the value of kg times 2.2. I want it to be displayed here, percentage 5.2f, and that's how it's displayed. Let me refix this to make it look better. Let's say 90. Move the space from here. Okay, so that's how it's displayed. So that's how we use system.out.printf for print format. Now I want my table to display 200 kilograms. So I just simply change this to 200, then run it, and there we go. As we can see here, 200 kilograms is 440 pounds. So like that, we would have written a program that displays a conversion table from kilograms to pounds.